47 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15, 3 times 6 18. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15. 3 goes into 4 how many times? 3 goes into 4, 2 times 6, so 1 time 3, which is 3, subtract 1, bring down the next digit. 3 goes into 17 how many times? 6 times 18, which is greater, so 5 times. 5 times 3 15, subtract, you are getting 2. So our answer is 15, remainder 2. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal and add any number of zeros according to your need. Bring down the first zero, but before this zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 7 times 2 is the 1, which is greater, so 6 times. 6 times 3 18, subtract 2, bring down another 0. 23 goes into 20 how many times? Again 6 times. 6 times 3 18. Okay, now subtract, you are getting to bring down another 0. 3 goes into 20 again 6 times. 6 times 3 18, subtract 2. This you can bring down more zeros, so since you have gotten 3 places after decimal, you can place here 3 dot now to mean that this process is continuing. So this is the answer. You can also write your answer placing bar over 6. This means that the 6 is repeating.